At a European port, containers arrive packed with raw ginger, destined for industrial powder production.
Pallets of raw ginger are loaded onto identical white trucks, reserved exclusively for this single product.
Each shipment of ginger is visually checked to confirm variety, freshness, and absence of visible decay.
From the port, ginger travels in sealed white trucks directly to the specialized processing facility.
Convoys deliver up to 2 million pounds of ginger per year to this single processing complex. Every ginger load is logged and verified at the gate before it enters the controlled factory perimeter.
The entire truck is weighed to confirm the exact quantity of ginger entering the facility.
Dedicated bays ensure that only ginger is unloaded here, preventing any cross-contamination with other products.
Once sealed doors open, only ginger is allowed onto this dedicated receiving line for further handling.
Some ginger arrives in bulk and is unloaded by hydraulic tippers into dedicated intake pits.
Here, the sheer mass of ginger becomes visible as entire truckloads spill into the intake system.
From outdoor intake, ginger is carried on enclosed conveyors into the sanitary heart of the factory. Inside the plant, ginger enters large, rotating drums that begin stripping away field soil. Pressurized water jets scrub ginger thoroughly without damaging the root structure.
Water-based separation removes stones and debris before ginger advances further.
Human inspection adds a final layer of judgment machines cannot replace. Proper alignment ensures consistent cutting and uniform downstream processing.
Precision slicers reduce whole ginger into evenly sized pieces for controlled processing.
Blanching halts enzymatic activity and locks in ginger's natural color.
Carefully controlled drying removes moisture while preserving ginger's aroma. Fluidized drying ensures every piece of ginger reaches the same moisture level.
Before grinding, ginger is buffered in sealed bins to stabilize flow. This is where solid ginger begins its violent breakdown into powder.
Now airborne, ginger moves deeper into refinement stages. Turbo pulverizers reduce ginger to particles finer than a human hair. Air classification guarantees only properly ground ginger moves forward.
Final sieving ensures every gram of ginger meets exact texture standards.
Multiple safeguards protect ginger powder from even microscopic contaminants.
Oxygen reduction keeps ginger powder fresh before packaging. After refinement, ginger powder is ready for final packing. Automated sampling captures representative ginger powder for quality verification.
Particle size testing ensures the powder meets strict texture standards.
Exact moisture levels protect ginger powder from spoilage and clumping.
Microbiological tests confirm ginger powder meets food safety requirements.
Only fully approved ginger powder is clear to move into packaging.
Approved ginger powder is transferred directly into sealed packaging systems.
Automated fillers ensure exact ginger powder weights every time. Airtight sealing protects ginger powder from moisture and contamination. Packaged ginger powder is prepared for secure pallet storage.
Finished ginger powder is stored in controlled warehouse conditions.
Orders are staged carefully for efficient ginger powder distribution.
Careful loading ensures ginger powder arrives intact and secure. Sealed shipments mark the final step in ginger powder production.
From raw root to golden powder, ginger begins its journey worldwide.